Hello, people. The stream is going to start very soon. What should I guess that's it. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing just fine. And here we go for another stream. Here we go for another stream. Let me just rewind. Here we go. And for this stream, we're gonna finish the deck editor panel. I hope. I really hope. I'm not sure. I actually don't really want to do this. But, you know, at one point we have to do it anyways, right? I just don't want to handle like the drag and drop, but I guess I already have a component for that. And then I have this, right? I have to handle the scroll. And yeah, this one. So yeah, this one is like really... I should make it more visible. I should maybe add like some little margin over there. I don't have the units there, but that's fine, I suppose. Do I only have one character? Anyways, let's start with the start. So we have this. We have the style. I want to change the style a little bit. Actually, you know what? It's Polish. Let's just focus on the game for now. Yeah, let's just focus on like what is really required. Let's not lose sight of the goal. So we have all of this, right? We have the cards, and basically I want to be able to drag a card from one place to another place. So for that, what am I gonna do? I guess I want the drag, well, I want to be able to drag them. And for the character, I want to be able to, like when I drop, I have to put it back in the list, right? I guess I have to do this. So reload deck character panel. Let's say we have this, we have the inventory character. I guess this is fine, right? I mean, I guess I can just use the inventory character, yeah. So on dropped. Oh wait, that's a function. On try play character, maybe? Yeah, that's gonna be kind of... I don't know. Can be placed on the battlefield? What is this? Right. I mean, okay, for now, let's just have on try play character connect. What should it be? So when I try to play it, I just want to put it back at its original position, right? I have to detect the... Okay. Undragged. Yeah, I don't have the original thing. Let me do this. Let me search for that. So I emit. And then when I try to play it, I'm gonna emit this again. And try play character. Okay. And then I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna call this and probably do things right. Setup. Play character from the sideline. Yeah, what if it's cancelled? Then this becomes false. And what happens with that? I don't know. I don't know. Is it even used? Yeah, I guess it is. Query targets. Uncancelled. I'm not sure about this. I just want to make it go back to where it was from. Okay, let's go back there. Let's have wait, I have this, right? Wait, that's actually part of my draggable thing, right? It's a node, okay. And input now when I drop, it's doing things. And I should have the position unpressed. Right, it should be the position unpressed. And that's it. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Okay. So we have this. When we try to play it, it's just gonna do this dot position equal this dot draggable dot position unpressed, right? And this should be position, yeah, position, just position. Let's try, maybe? What happens if I drop the character? Okay, now it's working. Okay, now we're talking. Well, yeah, okay, that's fine. I guess I do want some slots, though. Maybe not. Yeah, nah, I don't want any slots. Yeah, ideally we want something that's like very juicy, and like we should be able to move the cards and have them like be very fluid. So we can probably do this. I have to bind this one though. I have to bind this thing. Scroll container. Scroll bar. External scroll bar behavior. Yeah, okay. Add-ons. I'm not sure. Deck editor, maybe? Okay. So external scroll bar. External scroll bar behavior, yeah. So we're gonna have this. We're gonna have well, more like scroll bar. Here we go. We're gonna have the ready function, and we're gonna connect all of this. So when this is scrolling, then I want to do some stuff, like scroll vertical, maybe, equal scroll bar dot scroll dot value, I guess. Yeah, it's actually value, I guess. Okay. Yeah. And then we have the same. We have the same over here with the scroll bar of the scroll container. Well, we should have it. Get horizontal, vertical scroll bar. But I guess I can do it for both. Get this scroll bar. Let's just do that for now. And we connect it to... Well, actually, we don't connect directly. We do scrolling dot connect func. And I'm gonna have scroll bar dot value, maybe, equal get v scroll bar dot value. I guess maybe I should do the same, like instead of this, I want to set this. Well, this, like that. Yeah, it should be good. And another thing is I want to set the same properties to both. Let's say I have to set the size of this scroll bar. Well, the minimum and maximum, right? So something like min. Well, okay. Well. External scroll bar. And then we have the internal scroll bar equal get v scroll bar. And if it's null, then it's gonna be equal to h scroll bar, let's say. Okay. Here we go. And then instead of get v scroll bar, we can just replace. And I can also have external scroll bar dot min equal internal dot min. And it's gonna be the same for the max. And I mean, it's already kind of nice, right? Custom step. I mean, I guess that's fine. Max, min, page ratio. I think that's fine. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, let's try to run this and let's see if it actually works. Wait, it won't actually. I have to bind the... It's now, I know. Let's bind the external scroll bar. This one. Okay. It's not working. It's not working. So there is something. I set the value, but I guess it's not getting considered. So should I internal? Yeah, should I just scroll directly with this? Like, scroll vertical equal this, I guess. And can I see the max and the minimum? Oh, I can't get them. I can't get them. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of curious if this is like computed or not. I mean, I guess... Okay, never mind. Well, yeah, never mind. Let's say we have this, we can not scroll. Yeah, how can I scroll? I'm supposed to be able to. print some stuff. $100. Okay, so it's like the default value. Got it. It needs to be deferred. Oh. What? 600? What? I mean, okay. I mean, I can do this. That's not a big deal. I don't like this, but I can do this. Oh, this is the value, right? Here we go. Here we go. Let's see how it goes. Alright, I actually can't go down because... Oh, okay, it actually works. Never mind. It actually works. So I can, like, it's my... with the wheel. With the mouse wheel I can do that just fine. But when I do this manually myself, I can't go to the end. This is probably because it's lacking somewhat. Like the max value and stuff might not be good. Can I do that in a process? I just want to verify this is like always the same or not. Oh, wait, it totally changed. Alright, because it's... Whoa. Yeah, so I guess I'm not setting something. There's something else I'm not setting, but yeah, there's some delay. Because it has to prepare all the elements, I guess, because it's like controls, nodes, and stuff. So is that like the page? I don't know what all of this is. Here's some step. Page. Oh. Yeah, so it is a page. Page, step, maybe? I mean, let's try again. Okay, let's go. So now we have... Oh, okay, this works well. Yeah, this was actually just the page, I think. I don't even need the custom step, right? Okay, this is good. This is great. This is perfect. I guess I should be able to hide it when it's like full, right? Like visible equal, well maybe not visible, but something. Okay, yeah, this is great. And on this side, I have the same, but I have to make it external too, right? Okay, great. And I want to make it unique too. And draggable. Oh, I can do this? Wait, that's sick. Wait, oh no. That's not how it's supposed to be. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to make a custom script for this one. Maybe I like different card. Well, different, yeah, different things. So, let me think a little. I have to think for a bit. Okay, so what if I sort? So I guess I should have to sort by name, right? Let's first sort. So when I click on sort, what is it gonna do? Well, I mean, I kind of know, right? Well, maybe I can create a script for that. Because I don't want to put like everything at the same place. I'm not sure about this. Then there is a save, the save as, confirm. Wait, where's the confirm? Confirm. Wait, I actually already have all the buttons there. Well, maybe not all. I mean, that's fine then. Sort button. It's a base button. Connect. Unsort. Oh. Sort button. Load deck button. Save. Really? How are you? Every time it's just like, how are you doing? Did you sleep well? Hi, bro. Hi, Raveli. Are you feeling a bit better? I know you were sick, so. Like suddenly, like four new viewers just joined the stream, and I feel like it might just be like Ravioli being like on 4 different screens, just watching the stream. Ian slept well. Yet what? I just got home. Oh, wait. What? Wait. Wait. Oh, wait. What? You had like a. Oh shit. You worked for so long. Night shift nurse. Yeah. Wait. Wait. How? Wait. What day are we? Yeah, okay, Sunday, right? Yeah, time is complicated. Time is complicated. I won't think too much about it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I feel like you've been away for so long. I just moved to Japan. I'm not sure about the hours here, but the work hours, but I guess time zone is going to be easier. I mean, in the US, it's like 8 hours too, right? So I mean, it's not that different, I guess. It's not supposed to be. But yeah, welcome back. Yeah, it's like in France, it's like 7 hours a day. Like a full-time job is 7 hours a day, every day for a week. It's nice. Well, it was nice. It's not anymore. But it's still working like that. Yeah, I guess I'm still fine because I work a lot from home, so it's not like that, you know. Like I'm gaining time with that too, so it's not that different for me. What are you gonna do then? Rest? Wait. So wait, minus 14. So it's like 11. Is it? Minus 4, 19. Minus 10, 9. It's 9. Wait, it's 9? Oh. It's 9. Wait, 9 a.m.? Okay, yeah, that was indeed a night shift. Yeah, I was planning on falling asleep while watching you. That's so sweet. Well, feel free to do so. I'll try to not put any dynamic music. No you, no you. Yeah, I'll try to be careful about the music. I can't guarantee the sounds, the Murloc sounds, though. I hope it's fine with you. If you have some nightmares about Murlocs, you know where it's from. I'm sorry about that. All cards view. Deck cards view. Oh, did you see my... Did you see this? I guess you haven't. I just made it, well, last night. Well, I improved it a lot, let's say. Sort, custom. Let me just do the sorting. So I'm just gonna sort depending on the name. Oh, wait. That takes A and B, right? Show me. Okay. Return A dot name. But, maybe model? Do I don't have the model. Wait. Alright, I only have the data. Wait, oh no. Oh no. That's a card view though. So yeah, you do have the name. Okay. Let's do a get name. Here we go. Data dictionary. It's just data. Okay, soon. A dot get name is less than B dot get name. I guess it's like the lexical thing. Okay, should be good. Look at this. Pika pika. Wait, that's the opposite of... No, wait. Is that the right direction? Wait, is that the right direction? How did you do that? Wait. What the fuck? HF? How did you do that? Wait. Unlocked with channel points? Wait, what? Wait, haven't bound this button. Double Pikachus. Wait, can I do that too? Is that on my own channel? No, it's not. Is it? Where's that from? I was gonna do the same. I was gonna just that, but I couldn't find the other one. So yeah, basically that's it. Da-da-da-da-da. I have my panel. That's it. And and yeah, I can like just move this if I want to look at all the cards, or I can also move there to like, you know, set up my deck. Like maybe go down. I love that. Panels! I love that, thanks. That's actually, like yesterday, there's someone who joined the stream who gave me nice advice about like the background and stuff, because it was kind of, well, ugly. It was like a flat color, and it just told me to blur, to like add some blur. And I had the idea of taking like the onsen, the hot spring, and blur it out. He gave me a website to learn more about UI, or like to get nice references. And here it is. I was thinking about making a document for like making a nice UI, because I don't know how to do that. So I do want to write what I learn, I guess. And you have like a ton of references. You can like specify tooltips, for example. If you want tooltip references, like this, you can check this. And this is kind of, wait, no, this is nice. Not this, but this. Guided tutorial. What? Not gameplay and HUDs. I think I'm combining. Oh, time menu. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, you have like a few. Well, it's all about UI, right? It's called the Game UI Database. Really nice stuff. Anyways, oh, you just reminded me I have to pin the link. Here we go. You know, sometimes you say that you're my #1 viewer, right? But sometimes with all the bots I see on Kick, I feel like they might be the #1 viewers. Like every single stream, there is like a, come to us comment. I'm #1. Well, that reminds me of we are #1, right? Yeah. Lazy Town. Kind of sad. We are #1. Lazy Town, yeah. Lazy Town. I used to love that show. I mean, I watched a few. I guess I only know mainly the music video, right? Or like the few music videos. I didn't know it. Well, I guess it depends what you mean by show, but I didn't know it was like a series or really. It's just music videos, right? It's on top. Okay, good. What should I do? I mean, I guess things are working now. I want to be able to move the cards. So let's go to deck editor. Let's go to scene. Control. Maybe. And this is gonna be deck editor card view. And I'm gonna put inside the spell card view, probably. This. And I'm gonna add the drag component. Card view hand. I'm proud of you. Where does that come from? Is it because I'm making a new card? I'm just watching all your work. Well, I appreciate that. I mean, with what you just said, it seems like you work quite a lot yourself, right? You just had a night shift after all. So, I mean, you're doing a lot. Maybe you should take a peek at this card. So I guess I can just do this. Inspiring, true. Truly. Ah. Speaking French. Bonjour, baguette. Okay. Sure. Wait, is it gonna put it like 2 times? Oh no, I guess there's nothing for the drink. Never mind. I was wrong. So yeah, that's only this. And then I have the particles, but I guess that's fine. I don't want the particles. Wait. So yeah, that's a panel container too. Whoa! Whoa! What was that? Okay. Like this. I eep. Okay! Well, in that case, just sleep well and see you next time. And yeah. Can't wait to see you back. I guess, yeah. I guess tomorrow would be the week again, so there's gonna be work. But well, I'll be there. So bye bye. So I want to put the... well, actually, I just want to replace this, right? Like deck editor panel, card view prefab. This is gonna be card view. So deck editor card view here, and this is... oh, I need a script. Yeah, something like that, probably. Oh. Here we go, we have the class name. And I guess we should have the card view, like the internal one. Spell card view. Here we go. I guess that's fine. I'm just gonna replace this now. So instead of this is gonna be this, deck card view, and I'm gonna replace every reference to spell card view by this. That should be good. And the only thing is that in some cases it's not going to have the set data, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna have to do card view dot... well, actually I can have set data. I can have the set data there. I'm just gonna forward this. I'm kind of glad I made it work like this. Like, this is very easy to use. I mean, maybe I shouldn't have made it a dictionary, but actually dictionary is fine. Oh, no. That's not what I want. Wait. 2 seconds. So... Okay, I can move them now. I can move them. Wait, I didn't even have to do anything. That's great. That's so great. I like that. That's great. So now... Now what are we gonna do? We're just gonna make them move back to their original position, right? Maybe not, actually. Yeah, maybe we want to switch. Yeah, that's gonna be kind of problematic, right? And I want to move them like on top too. I can drag from here too, but not there. Great. Okay, very specific. Wait, there's the panel. Oh. Let's remove the panel. I just saw that. Boom. Here we go. So, aside from this little panel, I want to move them on top. So I guess I had a custom canvas before. For that. Over here. Oh. Oh no. Wait. Ah. My hair is just such a mess. My bad. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Right, it's good. Okay, so now what do we have? We can open this. Yeah, so we have to move them back, right? Well, actually we have to move them to the additional canvas layer, which is going to be dragged card canvas layer, let's say. So when we do that, we're gonna have on card dragged, for example. Right click should be used. Wait, actually, I actually have to test the sorting. Let's test the sorting. I haven't tested it. Sort. Shit. Get name, panel container. Deck, oh yeah, right. I mean, fine, I should just be able to do this. but it's sort. It's not doing anything. Oh no. Wait, really? It's really not doing anything. Oh, right, it's because it's returning this, right? Wait, yeah, it's not doing anything. Yeah, of course it's not doing anything. I have to sort the children, right? The children of deck cards panel. Is it returning or is it in place? It's in place. Okay. And is that a copy? Or not? I think it is a copy. Well, let's assume it's a copy. In that case, sorts children. There's nothing for that, so maybe clear. Yeah, there's no clear children. Set children? Yeah, I guess there's only add children. So I'm gonna... What am I gonna do? And I'm just gonna remove all of this, right? So for card view, deck editor card view, in this, I'm gonna remove from parent. Well, dot parent gets parent. Dot remove child. And then I have, for all of those, I'm gonna add it back. So like in the same order, I guess. Well. What was it? And units or deck cards, I guess. Yes. Oh. Right, here we go. Here we go. Sort. He's walking. Okay, he's walking. That's great. That's great. That's so great. Okay, yeah, that's really great. I like that. I like this. I like this a lot. Wait, this is also... Oh, resetting the position because the added child is resetting the position. Okay. Well, I guess it is. Right. Yeah, okay. Great, great, great. So now, I mean, I should be able to remove one by right-clicking on it. Maybe what? Draggable? Maybe I can put that there. Unpressed. Mouse left button. What about if it's the right button? I mean, I guess that's fine. I should be able to do mouse button right. Yeah, something like this. And on right clicked, maybe. I'm gonna emit this. So I guess I need the draggable. Here we go. Over is hovered, I guess. Something like this. Mouse button right. Right? 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 Is that right? I guess that's fine. On right click, okay. And then in the deck editor, I want to remove this. So reload deck character, no. Reload deck panel. This. I'm gonna do on right clicked. Should I do this? Connect, yeah, I guess. Remove. Remove card from deck. Okay, well, I guess I can bind instead. No. Wait, I remember you had a nice way to do it, but I don't remember what it was. Maybe you don't. Maybe this dot bind? Wait, maybe I have to make the function first. Okay, that was it. Got it. And then I want to bind with the card view. I used to make a lot of... That's actually something I've learned from Ravioli. I used to make a lot of lambdas in there, but the problem with lambdas is that you can't remove it, you can't disconnect easily. But if you bind it, then you can easily remove it, which is great. So then we have the card view. Remove card from deck. I guess I just want to get this, erase. And then I want to get deck cards panel. Or maybe actually, I want to make sure it's not getting dragged. Or maybe that's fine if it's dragged actually. I don't know. But in any case, I want to get... I guess, let's say we want to get the part... Well... Yeah, never mind. Let's make sure this is fine. Let's use this one. I want to be careful about the drag. Remove child. Card view. So right click. Boom. Okay, so I can remove those. Great. This is great. This is great. This is working well. Like really well. And I can't do that with those though, because they're not from this panel. So now if I reload, even if I drag a card, it shouldn't... Well, actually, maybe it should remove it. Oh, no, okay, I can't right click there. Then I drop, I right click, and okay, now it is removing it. Okay, that's great. Oh. Yeah, I have to move it to another panel. Wait, maybe I want to change the order of the cards. Do I? No, I don't. That's fine. Yeah, that's just fine. Never mind, this is fine. It should just, you know, go back to its original position anyways. Load deck. Oh, I should be able to do this afterwards. Yeah, the save functions are kind of important, I guess. Let's do that another time. For now, we have this, we have... Yeah, we want to be able to track the cards. And I mean, it shouldn't really be important to be able to move those on the left side. It's really those on the right side that are important. So let's do this, I guess. And we're also going to have... On right clicked. Click, maybe? Yeah, on right click actually. So yeah, I mean, I guess the default behavior is I just want them to go back to their original position. I think okay, I made that for the characters, but not for the cards. I mean, let's just do that really quickly. I mean, I should maybe have done it. Well, maybe not there. Yeah, so... Card, well, draggable dot drop. Undrop. I connect. I can have a lambda from time to time, that's fine. And I'm just gonna do this maybe, like position equal draggable dot position pressed. Maybe something like this. Item. Wait, there's the item. Wait, is that really useful? No, it's not. That's fine. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna go to the hairdresser next week. Let's do that. Let's go to the hairdresser next week because this is becoming really bad. This is becoming so bad. Okay, so when I drop, this is coming back, so this is great. I guess though... Is it? No, it's not. It shouldn't be the place where it's deciding that. Yeah, maybe it's not good. Can I detect why it's getting dragged? I guess I should be able to. I did it in the other places, but I don't remember how to do it well. I should remove the name. Like, really. Save! Okay, I just muted myself at the right time. Great. Here we go. Position on press. Yeah, let's not do that here. Let's not do that there. Let's go back there, and we're gonna have all cards, deck card. Dragable.undropped.connect. I drop deck card, let's say, and I don't want to reuse the argument, so I'm gonna do this dot bind. Actually, let's just do this. Let's just do this. Well, no, it's not gonna work. Let's do this. And this is card view, because the card view is different. This is a spell card view, and this is a deck editor card view. And when I drop it, I'm just gonna do this dot position equal this dot draggable. Wow. Draggable? Wait, what? Position unpressed. Here we go. Should be fine. So I can just remove this, right? Yep. Anything for a bit. I'm losing track of what I want to do. Wait, so I was dropping this, so now it should still work, right? When I drop a card from the deck. But I should also change the canvas parent. Yeah, so this is fine, but this is not gonna be fine, and this is fine in itself. I mean, yeah, really, I shouldn't have to drag them. The cards from the deck, only those. So on that note, I'm gonna do undragged with not these cards, but these ones. Undragged. Drag. Unlimited cards. Wow. Yeah. This is gonna be like this. This is gonna be this. Boom. Card view. And I want to get the parent, or like maybe just get the all cards panel, this. I want to remove child. And I want to move it to... I actually don't want this. I just want to... Wait. I want to create... Let me think for a bit, okay? Okay, I do want this actually. I do want this. But I also want to copy what I have. So maybe insert, well, add sibling. What about this? Add the sibling not to this nod's parent. What? What does that mean? Oh, right. Okay, this node. Oh, okay, got it. So can I just get the sibling, maybe? Sibling? Get sibling? I can do this. Maybe you find out. Gets child. So there's an index, right? So that means if I do... Let's move it at the end. If I do this dot... Oh wait, I can just... Oh, I can just do this. Wait. Add sibling to the current one. So I have this, I'm gonna do a add sibling here. And this is just gonna be a copy. And then I'm gonna remove this one. So it's gonna replace it basically. And this is all cards. Yeah, this is basically gonna be a copy. Create unlimited card. Yeah, maybe not actually. Let's not add it as a child directly, right? This is not what I want. Let's put it there instead. So we set the data from... I guess it's like new card view, right? Wait. New card view. Boom. Boom. Not really, I have to modify this, but yeah. Now set data. Set data. Yeah, from the current card view. Card view dot card data, like data. Yep. I add it as a sibling. I remove this one, and I also want to replace. So wait, this is for this array. I want to find it because it's like it can be useful for the search, right? So I want to find the index of card view, and I want to modify it in the array directly. Well, I'm gonna replace it directly, right? That way I can remove it at the same time. And I'm not even like modifying the size of the array, like reallocating and stuff. Copying and moving. Oh. What just happened? Can't add a sibling deck editor card to itself. I mean, yeah, of course, okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. I can't drag. Wait, what? I can't drag anymore. I can't drag anything. Or is it because of the canvas? Yeah, let's hide this. Should be better now. Boom. Wait, it's not. But what? Why is it so bad? Is it just because of this? Undragged? No, it's not. It is. What? Wait, but it's also impacting. It's also impacting those cards there. Wait, what? Draggable. Oh, wait. Never mind. I mean self. Oh, self is not a card view, it's actually a draggable. I mean, I'm not even using this though. That's so weird. What if I do like this, maybe? Okay, this is working. And it's not adding new siblings though. So this is kind of not working. Oh wait, it's because I removed this function. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so now it's adding a new card every time. A new sibling. Great. So why is the remove child just not working? Oh yeah, because oh, never mind. I know. I have to add it to the panel, right? That's it. So export, dragged card canvas, canvas layer. Let's set the reference. So now it's gonna be visible right there. And do I have to keep the position? Do I have to take care of the position? Or is the drag going to be enough for that? Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, so there should be a control in there. That's gonna take everything. But that's not going to stop the mouse. It's just gonna be an encore. Encore? How do you even call that? Encore? And let's just replace this, and now we should be good. Shit! On a null value. Oh, right. Because I modified the name. Okay, now it should... Wait, what? Now it's good. Wait, that's not how it... What? What? Wait, what? I don't get it. Oh, shit. Wait, what? Where are they? Position. One... 1,000. Oh, that's just invisible. Wait. What? What the hell? I don't get it. Wait, when I drop... Oh yeah, wait. I haven't. Well, wait. There were like a few errors actually. I have to check this. I have to check this. So let's have like this. What is it? Oh. The parent should be the same. All cards panel. Yeah, it makes sense. So I guess it's gonna... If card view that's parent gets parent equal this, then I'm gonna, well, not equal actually, I'm just gonna return. And then I have the add sibling, remove child, add child. I'm actually just gonna do a reparent. Reparent to the new parent, which is this, and I want to keep the global position, the global transform. So it should be good. Should be good. Should be great. Or not. Maybe not. But there's no more error now. For some reason. And I can still drag this one. Wait, I guess that makes sense. But then when I try to drag a new one, it's just updating the panel again, but I don't have the drag. I think I understand now. Yeah, I just don't have the drag of the one on top. Reparent? Is it because of the reparent? I feel like it's dropping. It's definitely dropping something. What if I just reparent first, maybe? Okay, that's the problem. It's becoming invisible. Okay, let's not reparent. I mean, if I don't reparent, it's just gonna add new nodes, add new cards. And yep, I can drag though. Wait, I can drag? Wait, what? No, it's not on top, anyways. Ah. I mean, okay, this doesn't matter. But this, wait, yeah, never mind. It's adding a new one. Can I just have this there? Wait, it's behind. Wait, what? Wait. Oh, it's two? Oh! Oh, okay. I get it now. Okay. I get it now. I get it. Yeah, it's two because I want to display it on top, right? But like, that's kind of a problem. Can I maybe just move it there? I mean, it doesn't matter whether it's like a different canvas or not, right? So maybe that's just going to fix like everything if I do this. Yeah, I guess I could just remove the canvas actually. I can't drag it. Hmm. Is it? You know what? I mean, I guess, yeah, never mind, it's a 1, so it's less. Yeah, let's just remove this. I think that was just because of the canvas. Like, even if they're like inside, it's not like the Z order. It actually takes priority, it's like another draw. So now it works. Now it works, perfect. Look at this. Look at this, infinite cards! Woo! And then I can drop them in my deck, ideally. I just have to detect the place. And like, you know, make like space out, I guess. I guess it's a scroll container. I guess maybe that's not what I want. Well, I have a scroll container, but there's the container inside, right? What was it again? Oh, can I just lock this? Yeah. No, not hide it. Lock it. Thanks. So what was the container? It's a flow container. So can I flow container animations, maybe? We do. Animations? How control nodes work? Wow. Requires custom solutions as the built-in container nodes do not automatically twin. No! When the children's position or size is changed. Instantly snaps children. So I can twin. Signals. Custom container. I mean, I think I can have something like pretty simple, like placeholders, and I just make the cards go towards their slots, basically. Yeah, that's a slot. I want to move slots, I guess. Yeah, that should be fine. But I'm kind of afraid, like, it has to be the same size, right? Okay, but anyways, I have infinite cards now. That's great, that's a good step. That's a good first step. Here we go. And when I drop, boom, I should be able to detect the zone, the area, and either delete the card or add it there to the deck. I was thinking, I guess it's like 9 damages. Like if you put 2 overclock, then it's 9 damages. If you have like 3 attack. Because 3 times 3 equal, 9. Okay. I'm just wondering how, I should limit my cards, right? Like the amount of each card. So I guess that was it. I'm probably gonna do that later. Maybe if I just left click, it should be add it directly to the... Oh, actually it's right click. If I right click on the card there, I should be able to move it directly there. I actually don't need any drag. Yeah, I don't need any drag. Yeah, I don't need any drag. That's not necessary. Maybe if I have like an extra deck or something. But I don't have one. I don't have one. But yeah, that's an idea. Like an extra deck is actually a good idea. But even if I have an extra deck, it will be like not here, I think. There's like not enough space, I guess. Maybe there is, but no. So let's just... So drag. Well, I guess it's like on drag. On, no, dragged. And then we have on, no, dropped. Yeah. So I'm just gonna delete it, right? Q3. Here we go. And when I right click... What? Okay. Sorry, there was like some kind of alarm, but it wasn't from my apartment. Yeah, I heard it like through my headphones with the music. I don't know how I did that, but I heard it. So when I drop it, I remove it, and when I right click it, so it should be right click. I'm gonna on an unlimited card right click, right? And it should be the same there. Wait. Yeah, there. Let's pass. Well, actually, let's have the card here. I should have the same there. Maybe I should really make a function for that. Because it's like the same, right? I'm just copying. Well, except the reparent and stuff. You know what? Yeah, let's make that. Create unlimited card. Wait, what? Yeah, never mind. Yeah, this is good. So I'm gonna create this, I'm gonna set this. I'm not gonna add to the array. I'm just gonna connect. I'm gonna return. Now I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove the callbacks. And it should be good. And now I'm just gonna call the same function over here. Removing what's not needed. And here we go. Here we go. I have the set data, that's good too. Okay, should be good, should be fine. So when I right click on it though, because now it's the function that's called when I right click on, you know, it, I guess. Then I can just instantiate the new card. So like new card view equal this equal this.new maybe. Then I'm gonna set the data exactly the same way. And then I'm gonna add it as a child of deck card. Well, actually, I have to use this one too, but deck cards panel. Views. So I push back this new card view, and then I add a child here. Okay, let's try. And now I should be able to remove cards and add new ones. And that should be great. Oh, wait. Wait, that's the same data though. Maybe I have to duplicate it. Yeah, maybe I should duplicate it. So I can remove them. But I can also add. Okay, I can't. Wait, it doesn't even work. When I drop, it's not dropping, it's not removing the card. Okay, I have a few errors. On right click is No argument. Right. Yeah, right. So I guess it's this dot bind card view. But when I drop, they're supposed to be like there's a problem. There's a problem too. So I drag, and then oh, I haven't bound it. I have to bind it. Does it have a... Yeah, okay, a parameter. Here we go. Should be good. Set data in now. No. What? Oh, right, I'm creating it, right? Yeah, I shouldn't do this, I should instantiate it. Like this. Boo. Here we go. Okay, let me duplicate this though. Duplicate or duplicate deep? A new copy, it's a shallow copy, right? Yeah, let's duplicate deep. And let's search there. Reload. Let's duplicate deep, like just in case, right? Like every time, every single time. Maybe I should just make a duplicate function. Character data. I guess that's fine. Yeah, this one is fine. They're not unlimited. So boom boom, I can add, I can't remove actually. Oh. Huh? Reload the deck panel. So let's do a add deck card, maybe. So we're gonna have the data. We're gonna have all of this. Boom. We're just gonna call this card data. And now I'm just gonna, instead, when I right click this, I'm just gonna call this with the duplicate. Hello, Daniel! Wave emoji, wave emoji, wave emoji. Wait. Wait, I've heard that. Wave? Wait, never mind. And anyway, wave, wave, wave. Hello, how are you? You sound like TTS, do I? Wait, is my microphone bad? No, it's using the right microphone, right? Yeah, it should be using the right microphone. Oh, you mean when I read the wave emoji? Yeah, yeah, totally. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, now we can make a deck. That's incredible, right? I guess ideally I want to drag those, but... Oh, so this is working too. As in, it's like removing the card. Ideally, I want it to be able to be dragged. So this is the deck. How do you find that? I'm wondering about the characters at the top. feel like it's taking like a lot of place. I'm not sure about it. I mean, I guess it's fine. But if I add a lot more... Okay, now I scroll. Does this... I mean, I'm not gonna have that many cards anyways, right? I hope. Maybe not. So... And yeah, I should put like a limit to it. Yeah, I should definitely put a limit. Like, for example, this one, we have multiple times the same card, right? I want it to be unique, so... To reload all cards. So we have get permanent cards. I guess, well, I mean, I guess that's a problem in itself. Adds permanent. Yeah, okay, let's try to make sure that when we add a permanent card, maybe we want it to be unique. So instead of opening an array, I'm just gonna loop through all the cards. In cards. And if card is a dictionary, I guess. Oh. Should I be able to get name? I mean, get ID, I guess. Yeah. ID. I mean, get this. By default, I guess is null. And if... Oh, I guess I have to... Oh, this is kind of bad. I mean, maybe instead of adding the whole data, I can just put the ID. I feel like that would be like a lot easier. So, permanent cards. Let's say this is an array. But not... Well, let's say this is not an array of dictionaries, but let's say this is an array of IDs. If this is an array of IDs... Wait, do I want to be able to accumulate multiple cards or not? I mean, even if I do that, IDs are fine. IDs on their own is fine. Probably. Probably. Yeah. So I'm gonna append. So wait. For card in cards. This is a dictionary. I'm gonna append to card ID. So it's like a string, I guess, or like a string name actually. Should be good. Well, that would be good. I get the ID, and I guess it's null, if not. Can the string name be null? If it's not null, I append. Yeah, it should be good. So yeah, now I'm gonna remove this. And I mean, I guess right now... I guess right now my problem is that when I'm gonna load the data, it's gonna load dictionaries. Which is not really what I want. But well. And when I... Yeah, this is kind of tricky. What do I want? IDs are fine. IDs are fine. Let's permanent cards. Okay, let's maybe add some safety, should we? Should we? How? I don't know. Save player data. This. Okay, let's remove, like, get permanent cards. Can I do that? So I'm just getting this, right? The array. I mean, it's a get or add. I mean, get is fine. Permanent cards in this set array. For card in permanent cards. Well, I mean, it's just gonna be an erase, really. Well, an erase. A filter. But then I guess it's gonna be, I have to set the permanent cards again. Okay, I can do this. Card. And I return card is string name. And if this is 1, then I'm just gonna set permanent cards on this. And it should be fine, should be good enough. Set. Wait, I can. Yeah, I mean, I guess I can. It's better if I do this. And it's an array. Assignment not allowed inside an expression. What do you mean? Oh, return. Yeah. And it's just void. Okay, should be a bit better. But it's just for the save. I mean, maybe I should just call it like at the beginning. But yeah. There. So after loading, I'm just gonna save again. Save player data, so that I can remove the dictionaries that have been saved and just keep string names instead, to go faster and to make things like easier for me. So I'm getting everything. I'm setting my permanent cards. So yeah, this is a dictionary. And now I have, you know, a few things, right? And it should be able to save. Yeah, now there's a big problem. But if I run again, well, there's a big problem. It's just that it's getting the ID instead of the dictionary, so the cards are not valid anymore. But never mind. I fucked up. No, never mind, this is fine, this is fine. I just need to add the IDs of the cards again. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I forgot about this. Let me think a little. Well, now that I've removed my saved, my save, I guess I just have to... I mean, I guess I can remove this, right? Let me just comment it for now. Like, I have to ensure that this is a certain type, I guess, but anyway. So we have all of this. Then we're gonna have the permanent, add permanent cards, and we're gonna have an array. Can I just put a string? Is that gonna work if I just put a string? Well, not really, but yeah. Yeah, let's say it's gonna work. Well, and then I save the player data. To verify if this is if this has been added, I guess. Maybe load? Never mind. Yeah, okay. So this is gonna be card, no, assets. No, not art. Wait. Gameplay. Cards. Let's put something like give mana. And let's check this. So yeah, now there's a dictionary in... Wait, what? As permanent cards. Yeah, I knew it. It's supposed to be a string name. Wait. I mean, I guess it depends, I don't know. For card. If card is a dictionary, then I'm gonna do card ID equal this. And then if card ID is not null, because this is null originally, is it? If it's actually a string name, then I do card. The dictionary, wait, what? Value of type string to dictionary. No, I'm not. Cannot assign null to string name. Oh. Oh, you can't? Oh, no. Too bad. Wait. Permanent cards. So I'm trying to add... You know what? Let's just do this. Let's just do this. And if this is dictionary, then we get the ID. If this is a string or a string name, then this is fine. So if this is not a string name and not, well, and card is not string, let's do that there. Then in that case I'm gonna continue. And here we go. So it should be like a string name or a string. Well, I mean, ideally, I guess I want it to be a string name. So like card ID string name equal card. Maybe. Here we go. Is it gonna be good now? It should be, I hope it's gonna be. String name to dictionary when I reload. Okay, this is nice. This is good. String name. Card data. So this is card ID. And what I want to do now is I want the battle loader. Nope. Battle resource loader. That card, well, loads card template. Is that what I want? Not really, right? Find card data. Oh, this is what I want. Wait, is it just find data? Oh, this is just returning that. Wait. So find card data with the ID, and I then want to duplicate it deep. And this is gonna be the card data. Yeah, I was already duplicating it deeply, but yeah. Okay, should be good. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, so we have it. We have those. I can add new ones. I can remove them if I want. I guess that's the minimum we want, right? We could polish it with like the dragging and stuff, but you know, that's like the minimum, like be able to add and remove some cards. It's not really polished, but yeah, okay. So here we go. Looks good. Looks great. So then I want to have it be unique. I want cards to be unique. So for that I'm going to go to here. I have the different cards. Do I? I have those. And I'm gonna have... Wait. Well, I guess that's actually a problem from here when I try to add them. Get, set... Oh wait, is it? Maybe not. Maybe count? Maybe I have to count them? Maybe I should make like a dictionary. We leave a lurk while I play Noita. Oh, enjoy! Enjoy. So let's make it unique. I don't know where I should make it unique. Because what if we want to be able to collect multiple cards? Let's probably, yeah, let's have it here. Let's have ID to count. Is this Godot? Yeah, it is! Welcome! How are you? Bibenji, yeah. This is Godot. This is GDScript. And this is a deck editor I have currently that's like not, you know, I'm working on it, right? Well, it's not perfect, but that's why I'm working on it. And I can also show you my game if you want. Can I show you this? No, this? No, this. No. I'm gonna show you quests room 5, like boss. Oh, mini boss. I can show you the mini boss. Maybe. I hope it's not gonna crash. Should be fine. Here we go. So this is the boss. Ugh. Wait, I only have one character though. Oh no. Wait, why do I only have one character? That feels bad. Do I have... Oh, it's because it's loading. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. And let's add it back afterwards. So yeah, you can put your characters, my bad. You can get some cards. You have like a few other cards in the deck right now. And the goal is to beat this little boss. Which has... Well, which is burning with its basic attacks compared to me. I'm just attacking. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna have to update the description to make it... I don't know if you can understand easily, but yeah, I actually need you. Do you understand what it says? Then there's like this. Yeah, I can... So 5 shields. So when I attack, it's gonna block 5 damages. Up to 5 damages. I mean, I guess it's block instead of shield. Maybe I should rename it. So let's do, maybe we can use overclock to get some attack. And then we can, well, not overclock, but motivation. And then we can use overclock to be able to attack 2 times. So I can attack 1, 2, and now with my over character, another time. And I'm gonna draw and finish my turn. Now I'm burning. So I'm getting some damages at the end of my turn. So I'm just gonna ignore that for now, because the enemy doesn't have any shields. So I'm gonna take, well, I'm gonna, you know, that's like the occasion to attack the enemy directly. But I don't think I'll be able to get any other damages. So let's just put some mana on our character. Attack. And finish. And now that we have the mana, we can use Attack Up Magic. Nice! Is this game like roguelike card game? Yeah, it is. It is a roguelike. Basically, you go on different quests, and every quest is basically a roguelike sequence. So if you die during a quest, then you don't get any reward. But if you finish the quest, then you unlock maybe new characters and new cards that you can then use in your following quests. But at the same time, you can like unlock, you know, well, during a quest you unlock new cards, so you can still modify it and update your deck depending on that, depending on what you get. That's why I was actually making the deck editor, right? So that you can, you know, modify your deck and potentially change a quest. Let's say, well, what you do during a quest. Well, your deck during a quest. Wait, 10 shields. I'm just gonna block. I can't deal enough damages for that. Well, I could, but let's just protect ourselves. And remove a little. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a lot of damages. Okay. So, should I draw? Yes, I should draw. Perfect. So now I can use my Attack Up Magic there to get a lot of attack. +3. And now I can use Overclock to attack 2 times. So it's like 12 damages with this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish this this battle. Yeah, I'm starting to get like a lot of damages from this. But I'm gonna wait, 10 shield. I can't deal enough damages. Let's put some shields. Let's give some mana. Let's draw maybe. I could use this. Yeah, let's do this. Let's skip. Okay, 5 shield. I could deal enough. Hopefully I get the correct one. Not the correct one. Okay. I don't have enough action points for that. Like 2 action points, 5 action points. Wait, this is actually 7. Never mind, I do. Boom. 1, 2, and this is a win. Here we go. So yeah, do you have anything you wanted to know about Godot? So many cars. Let me just go back there and load it from the save file. Maybe I should detect when I'm loading it from a save file or not. Well, I mean, if I'm running the scene directly or not. So if I open this, I'm gonna have too many mana cards. Wait, what's that? Why? Or is it because I'm saving? Oh, it's because I'm adding new ones every time because of my little test. Is it? Ready? Yeah, this add permanent card. Wait, how many is it adding though? 1, 2, 3, so I should have 9 if I restart. Okay, I have 9, this is fine. But I also want like other cards. Do I? I mean, okay, let's just do this. Yeah, let's just do this. I mean, I can modify my deck, this is good. I guess this is actually kind of all I want. Be able to modify my deck. And I mean, be able to search for cards. That would be great. And then there are like the characters. I want to be able to change my characters, potentially. Um. Oh. Oh, thanks for the follow. Yeah, once again, if you wanna know anything, just feel free to ask me. Wait, the music is so loud. Is it a bit better maybe now? I hope it is. Wait, actually, is my headset changing? No, it's not. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. I don't know why it became like so loud. So yeah, the characters. What should I do about those? So we have the data, that is basically what's gonna get saved. But yeah, wait. What about characters? Add character. Wait, character? Give character. Oh, it's a bit different. Get characters, so I have all of this. What if I want to add a new one? So I need to add a dictionary. This time it's a dictionary. So let's do something like give character, like here. And this character is gonna be battle resource, louder. Wait. I can actually give the player like everything. I just realized. So like we have character loader, right? But inside we have like the data of all the characters. It's like resource data. So like resource data dot values. So these are the dictionaries. Wait, am I doing something when I'm registering load resource? No, I'm not. Okay. Wait. Okay, it looks fine. Find data. Yeah, okay, looks good. So, character data. I can do this. Wait, that's actually gonna be too much, I think. But yeah, I can just give the... Wait, that's a for. That's a for loop. I can just give the character data. And it should be good. I guess it won't save, and I don't really want it to save. Okay, how many characters? Wait. Give added character. Wait. What? Trying to assign an array of type array to array dictionary. Oh, this is so stupid. Okay, here we go. Yeah, sometimes this Godot is a bit stupid. Oh, it's because it's saved. What? I don't know. I don't know what it is about. Okay, let's just remove this, I guess. This is not a big deal. What is? Okay, so I really have a lot of characters now. Way too much. Way too many. And this is because I replaced my scroll thing with a view. Let's change it, I think. So this is gonna be a scroll container. Alright, I need I still need something inside. So scroll container. Here. I'm gonna have this. And now I can't even see my own characters anymore. Can I just do an auto? How can I have it be? Fit? No. Scroll. Layout. Scroll container takes size of. Okay, go to size. Oh no. Scroll container takes size of child. Fill. And the minimum size. Enable scrolling when the content exceeds the scroll. Oh, right. Okay, I know why this is doing this. Let's remove this. And instead, vertical mode should be disabled. Okay, here it is. Yeah, Google wasn't helping, actually. I mean, great. Okay, here we go. I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to make my custom scroll bar, though. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is a bit better. So we have a lot of characters, as you can see. Okay, this is great. Wait, this is actually kind of hard. This is a bit hard to see, to use, maybe. I don't know. Well, it's because there are a lot of characters. We don't need that many in practice. And then about the cards, I should be able to do the same thing. So wait, do I have the save ready? Okay, give character. Okay, that's fine. Then I can just do the same for the card. So I have like card loader, that resource data, the values, card data, give cards. Is it an array? No, this is not what I want. Permanent cards. Sets. Wait, I actually only want the IDs. So that means I should just get the keys for this one. And when I do this, then I should just be able to set permanent cards. And here we go. This is just for testing purposes, right? Yeah, let's make a function give all or something like that. What is this? Empty. Oh. Oh no. Give all. This. So keys should be IDs. Let's restart. I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure why it's doing this. What? Oh, I'm not calling. Okay, never mind. Give all. Here we go. So cards or string names. Sounds good to me. Looks good to me. And then we have a problem here. For some reason. I don't know why. I mean, it should be good, right? Set. Is it because of the set? What if I do a add permanent cards. Oh, this is probably what I need to do? I don't know. Never mind. That's not gonna change. So what if I just remove this? Is it like gonna fix everything? No, it's not. Sorry, this is because of an um, invalid element. Like it's loading not in a good way. Costs. Okay, template data. So find cost data. So I have wind. And template data is just not found. What? There's a cost loader? Wait, I have that? Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. I remember now. So it's from ready. Reload. Tempest. Oh, right. Wait. Oh! Wait a second. It's because I haven't implemented it yet. So wait, that means it's working actually. But it's working so much that it's crashing for cards I haven't implemented yet. So wait, it's Tempest, right? Wait, what is it? Like costs. Find cost data. It's just returning empty if there's nothing, right? Yeah. So let's just check it. If this is not empty, then I do this and I add it. If not, then I'm going to probably just ignore, right? Instantiate. Yeah, I can do this. I don't even have to Q3. Looks good to me. Looks good. Okay, so we have a lot of cards. Wait, okay, we actually have all our cards. Maybe a bit too much. Well, we have some... Oh, I was gonna say some duplication. We actually don't. They're like different cards, but just with the same art, I guess. Yeah, maybe I should remove those. Yeah, should I? Maybe instead of give, let's go back to the player data script. So let's set the cards instead. Yeah, I feel like it's saving the cards at some point. Okay, here we go. So fire control, ignites, quick attacks. Yeah, a lot are not actually used, but we have a lot of cards. Looks fine. Hey, then I can add and, you know, do my stuff with my deck, right? So if I want, I should be able to put Fire Breath. Mana, well, let's put Overclock one time, maybe two, because it's a really good card. Maybe some mana. Let's put like one, this, Attack of Magic. Actually, this is maybe two times. One time is fine. Then I can put some motivation, which is always kind of great, and shields are kind of important too. So shield, guard up, I guess. 2, 3, 3 should be the maximum, I guess. But yeah, I guess I can just set up my deck now, which is great. And I should be able to save the different layouts. It should be good. It should be good. Save as. Save. I don't know what to think about the characters. I mean, they look good. That's for sure, but... I guess I show units. That's what I need to do, right? I need to do this. Let me think. Show, like, so we have permanence units maybe at some point. I mean, I guess a limit of 3 is fine. What if I only keep 3 cards, though? I mean, the deck is gonna be really small. Yeah, maybe I want a limit about this too. So I guess it's like, I have to like, unlock the buttons or something. Sort. This is so good. And sort. Okay, like that. I'm gonna have to implement the search too. Show units. Okay. Let me see. Whoa. Yeah, let's maybe just raid Cake 77. I mean, I feel like I did what I wanted to do mostly. So we can continue that like tomorrow, for example. Let's just raid. I'm gonna have some sleep tonight. And thanks for the follow, everyone. Thanks for watching. I appreciate a lot. That was Progs, and we are one step closer to making the full deck builder experience, which is great. I like that. So yeah. Bye-bye.